Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to drain phone battery quickly. Here are the safe and practical ways to drain a phone battery quickly. First, increase screen brightness to maximum by going to Settings, Display, Brightness, and set it to 100%. Keep the screen always on by going to Display section, then tap Screen Timeout. Set Screen Timeout to the longest option. Play videos continuously. Stream YouTube, Netflix, or TikTok at higher resolution. Turn on mobile data and Wi Fi together. Keeping both active drains more power. Enable Bluetooth and GPS. Turn on location services and Bluetooth, even if unused. Use GPS heavy apps. Open Google Maps and start live navigation. Play graphics heavy games. Games like PUBG, Genshin Impact, or Call of Duty drain battery fast. Turn on vibration and haptics. Enable vibration or haptics for typing and notifications. Use the camera continuously. Record video, especially in 4K if supported. Disable battery saver or power saving mode. Make sure no power limits are active. Keep apps running in the background. Open multiple apps and don't close them. Turn on hotspot. Enable mobile hotspot even without connecting devices. Use the phone while charging stops. Unplug the charger and keep using the phone heavily until it shuts down. Doing this often can reduce long term battery health. Use only when needed. For example, battery calibration or testing. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.